In this video, let us find the value of x and y in this nice exponential equation. It's an Olympiad exam question and we are asked to find the value of x and y. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, share it with friends and colleagues, and remember to subscribe to my channel for more simplified mathematics content. Now, if you are given this question, how do you go about solving this? Now remember, we have x squared minus y squared. That is a difference of two squares. So we are going to have x plus y, right? And then we'll have our x minus y, and this will be equal to 49. Now, since we have a difference of two squares, that means we can simply simplify this. Now, if I take this to, if you look at these two expressions, you come to see that definitely, no matter what the value of x and y is, this must be greater than this. So this is going to give us x plus y greater than, or it can be equal to this, depending on what the value of x or y is. And these two variables can now be equal to, we can either have 49 multiplied by 1, or this can be equal to 1 multiplied by 49, or this can be equal to 7 multiplied by 7, because 7 multiplied by 7 will give us 49. Now let's analyze this. If we analyze this expression, you come to see that if this value is 49 and this is 1, you will come to see that 49 is greater than 1. And if this becomes 1 and this is 49, you come to see that 1 is what? Less than, or less than 49. And then if this is 7 and this other part is 7, you come to see that 7 is equal to 7. Now, if you compare this whole value, this sign, equality sign, with this, you find out that this expression is true because this is greater than this. This other expression is false because 1 is less than 49, and this other expression is true. So we're going to pick these two expressions that are true, and then we can find the values of x and y from the true expressions. Now let's do that. From those expressions now, you can agree with me that I can have the value of x plus y multiplied by x minus y to be equal to 49 multiplied by 1. And from this expression, we can simply see that we also have our x plus y multiplied by x minus y, and this will be equal to 7 multiplied by 7. So this will give birth to two simultaneous equations. The first simultaneous equation, we're going to have our x plus y to be equal to 49, as this multiplies this while this multiplies this. And if this multiply this while this multiply this, or equal this, we're going to have our x minus y to now be equal to 1. So we'll take this as equation 1 and take this as equation 2. So from the second expression, we can have x plus 1 equal to 7, and then we can have x minus y equal to 7. While we have this as equation 1, we also have this as equation 2. So we have brought out two different equations. We're going to solve these two different simultaneous equations for the values of x and y. Now, using the elimination method in this aspect, you come to see that if we try to add equation 1 and equation 2, you come to see that the addition of equation 1 and 2 will give us x plus x will give us 2x, plus y plus minus y will give us 0, and this will be equal to 49 plus 1 will give us 50. So if we simplify this, simply dividing here by 2 and dividing here by 2, you come to see that 2 will clear 2, and then the value of our x will be equal to 50 divided by 2 will give us 25. So the value of x is 25. Now from this expression, we can still find the value of y. Using equation 1, we can see that our x plus y is equal to 49. So if we simplify that by adding the value of, by putting the value of x equal to 25, you come to see that 25 plus y will be equal to 49. So the value of our y will be equal to 49 minus 25, because we are going to subtract 25 from both sides. So if we do that, the value of our y will be equal to 9 minus 5 is 4, and then we have 4 minus 2 is equal to 2. So if we do this, we're going to have the value of our y to be equal to 24. So from that expression, we have come to see that our value of x is equal to 25 and our value of y is equal to 24. Now, these are the two solutions for x and y from this simultaneous equation. Now, let's look at the other simultaneous equation. From the other simultaneous equation, we can still decide to add the two expressions. And if we add the two expressions, x plus x is going to give us 2x. Why this gives us 0? This will be equal to 7 plus 7 is going to give us 14. So we're going to divide here by 2 and divide here by 2. What do we have? While 2 clears 2 to give us x, that will be equal to 2 divided by 14 divided by 2 is going to give us 7. So this expression, x will be equal to 7. Now, if x is equal to 7, we're going to take the second expression or the first expression, whichever you feel like, x minus y is equal to 7. So if we insert the value of x equal to 7, we'll find out that 7 plus y will now be equal to 7. And our y, if we subtract 7 from both sides, will be equal to 7 minus 7, and then our y will be equal to 0. So from that second expression, we'll come to see that the value of our x is equal to 7 and the value of our y is equal to 0. Now, how can we confirm that these two expressions are, or these two separate pairs of this pair of solution are the right solution to that expression given to us? Let's check. From the initial expression, we are given x squared minus y squared equal to 49. Now let's check to see if our results are actually correct. If we check this, we are given x squared minus y squared, and we are told that it should be equal to 49. Now if we simplify this, what do we have? Inserting the value of our x, which is 25 squared, right, minus 24 squared. Will it give us 49? Let's find out. 25 squared is going to give us 625, right? That will give us 625. 625 minus 24 squared is going to give us 5, 7, and 6. Then we'll subtract these two expressions. Can we get 49? Yes, we can, because 5 minus 6 is not possible. We'll put 1, and that will give us 9, right? And then we'll be left with 11 minus 7, which is what? Which is 4. So 49 is equal to 49, which tells us that that expression x equal to 25 and y equal to 24 is absolutely what? Correct. Now let's turn to this. If we are given our x squared to be equal to 7 squared minus 0 squared, will it be equal to 49? Now let's check that. 7 squared will give us 49 minus 0. Will it give us 49? So from here you see that 49 is equal to 49. And what do we have? That tells us that this expression x equal to 7 and y equal to 0 are absolutely what? Correct. So what does that tell us? That these two solutions are the solutions we get for the value of x and y that satisfy that exponential equation given to us above here. I know you did enjoy watching this math solution. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share with friends and colleagues, and remember to subscribe to my channel for more simplified mathematics solutions. Thanks so much for watching once more, and bye bye.